up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esperanza. I'm a full-time content creator and I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but I'm originally from the Pacific Northwest. So besides running all my social media full-time, I also do a ton of thrifting for my boho home decor shop, which is Urban Darling Shop. And in my shop, I sell some of my best thrifted home decor finds, and they're all kind of like in a bohemian, vintage, retro type style. I also have my degree in interior design and I absolutely love everything about decorating spaces. So in today's video, actually, I'm going to be showing you guys a little makeover that I'm doing in my bathroom. I've already done a few things here and there, so this is just like one of the final steps of getting my bathroom to look how I want it to. So it's not going to be completely done, so I'll do a full bathroom tour later, but I do want to show you guys what I've done so far and then switch out the mirror in my bathroom above my vanity, which is basically what this video is going to be about. So let's go ahead and get into it. And then here's the bathroom, really pretty marble tile floors, subway tile in the shower, nice tub. And then we've got a new vanity, new mirror. I was kind of hoping that they weren't going to put a mirror in. They didn't have one when I originally saw the photos, so I kind of wanted to get my own like big mirror to go here, so I might ask them if I can switch that out. Toilet, and then there's a little closet door here to store like toilet paper, towels, things like that. And then we've also got this little nook here. These shelves kind of need to be repainted, but I don't mind doing some of that stuff on my own. Okay, so here's a quick look at the bathroom. I'm not going to do a full tour of it yet because it's not completely done, but some of the main points are that we have really pretty faux marble tiles in here, which I love, white subway tile shower, and although it's not the biggest bathroom ever, it definitely has a pretty overall big feel to it because it's kind of long, which you can't tell from this video necessarily. We have these really cool ceilings in here because of the loft apartment. Love that little fixture. They went with black fixtures for all of like the hardware and stuff, except for the vanity that already had like the silver hardware on it. That's the only part that's different, but besides that, all of the hardware accents are black. So because of that, I actually installed, well, I didn't. I hired a contractor to install the shelves in the kitchen and a couple of black towel hooks here for this long wall. Doesn't look as long in this video, but it was kind of like this awkward space and we had nowhere to hang our towels. So I had the 3 towel hooks installed here. The one in the middle I like displaying like cute stuff on, and then mine and Skylar's towel. And then I have a really cute stool on order here that'll be here soon. And what we're actually doing in today's video is we are going to be switching out this mirror here, which they actually didn't have that mirror installed when we first looked at the apartment or the fridge. Actually, they kind of just plopped those in right before we moved in, and I hate this mirror. I have despised it since the moment that I saw it. It's just like this really crappy mirror that probably should have been inset into the wall or something, because it's like this crappy plastic material. It just doesn't look good. So let me show you guys the mirror that I'm going to be switching out with, and then go ahead and switch it out so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here's the mirror. It's a black round mirror, and I have been looking for one for quite a while, and then I saw this one at TJ Maxx for under 30, so I thought that I better snatch it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out now. Should be pretty easy, but we'll see. Okay, so it's kind of dark in our apartment, at least in like the bathroom. It's always really dark, but I got the mirror down and not sure if you guys can see, but when they were installing it, one of their installers scraped up the wall here. So my round mirror should be big enough to cover all of the holes and scratches that they've put on the wall. So going to hang that up now, and that's gonna look so much better because the mirror actually wasn't hiding the scratch before. So this mirror should cover that up, which has been bugging me for a while, and I think it's gonna look so much better. Okay, so here is what the mirror looks like now, and it takes up a lot more of the wall space, which makes it look so much better. And it covers up those scratches on the wall. And to me, it looks so much better, so much more updated, and I'm super thrilled with it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Pretty soon I will be doing that fully decorated apartment tour. I'm about 90% done. I have some furniture that's ordered on its way, and then once that gets here, I'll be probably like 95% done, and then super close to being almost 100% done, and then that's when I will share with you guys my fully decorated apartment tour. So definitely stay tuned for that. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys aren't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more thrifting, home styling videos, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!